self to the world. Positive energy ripples steadily through me. I direct this energy in wise and loving ways. I attract joy, abundance, and beauty. The universe is conspiring to help me live out my full potential. I am the overseer of my emotions. Ultimately, I have the final say as to how I react to life. I am worthy of the best this world has to offer. My highest dreams are my top priority. I embrace whatever comes my way, choosing to accept the many phases of my life. I am intimately connected to the power of the universe. My potential is enormous. I am a blessed child of the universe. I have all that I need within me to succeed. I am powerful beyond all measure.